Especially to all of our beautiful moms.
Yes.
It's a beautiful Sunday na pagsasamahan natin today, di ba guys? Sunday and Happy Mother's Day! Magbabonding po tayo with our moms while watching itong pinaka-paboritong online na pwedeng Sunday ito ang I Want Asap!
Till Mother's Day, guys. May konting game ako.
Anong game mo?
Let's do Show and Tell Mother's Day edition.
Oh, game.
So all we're gonna do is show a photo of you and your mom, and then we're gonna share the story about the photo.
I like that.
Game?
I like that.
Alright.
Game.
Photo number
Let's
one,
see.
go!
Photo number 1.
Parang alam ko kung saan yan.
Saan yan? Oh, it's here in ABS.
Oh, yes!
Sa elevator yan, no?
Yeah, ABS.
My mom is so sweet kasi she's from
Grabe.
Cebu. Tapos kailangan she's there for the meeting. Tapos she really flew para sa meeting na yon.
Wow.
Like ano talaga siya, like impromptu talaga yon. And she really came here to be present sa meeting. So, thanks mom, you're so supportive. I love you. My parents, oh my God. Happy Mother's Day, mother.
May tanong ako, bakit mukhang sobrang bait ng mom?
You know,
date.
that's my first proper meal libre to my mom.
Aww.
Kaya with fast food, gano'n. Tapos, bakit ano?
Bakit sobrang bait ng mom mo, pero ikaw parang hindi?
Wow!
Easy!
Parang tingnan ko.
Nakipag-away
Look
agad.
naman, my mom's so cute naman.
You guys look the same.
You do look
Parang,
super
kasi
like.
parang nanggaling ako sa kanya. Parang gano'n yan.
Sana naman, gano'n.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day, mama. Love you.
Aww. Sino next?
Nasaan siya ngayon?
My mom in Cebu.
In Cebu,
Cebu.
yes.
Okay.
Hi, Tita!
Hello!
Hi, Tita. Happy Mother's Day po.
Alright,
Sino
next
Actually,
buhay.
nakalaki lang naman ang kiss ko pag nasama ko to.
Ito, try mo mag-thirst ka.
Mag-solo ko. Actually, pag isang nagamit ko talaga to.
Tita, okay lang yan. Pwede,
sinabi
pwede
niya.
kung gamitin ang anak mo, may karapatan ka talaga. At least
Sir,
sinabi ka
Diba,
talaga
hindi
dyan.
yan, tita.
Tama,
Okay lang
tama.
yan.
You make...
Moments and
Ang galing mo doon.
The ASAP and I Want ASAP family would love to greet a happy birthday ASAP moms, Miss Olive, Miss Noemi, Miss Jasmine, Miss Apple, Miss Winnie, and of course, the Miss Regine, Miss Shasha, and Miss Angeline. Happy Mother's Day.
Marami tayong special treats
Yes.
for moms mamaya sa ASAP. Amazing naman yan. Panoorin mamayang 12 noon sa Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, TV5, A2Z, and I Want TFC. Use our official hashtag ASAP Moms Day. Oh, ay, hindi pa yung done. We're not done.
Di ba?
Grabe.
Walang di ba?
We're not done. My
Wow.
special performance
Grabe naman.
si Bel Mariano.
Wow.
Oy.
Hatawan with Loisa Andalio and Alexa Ilacan. Grabe! And
Wow.
new music from Kyle Echari.
Yes, sir.
And we're not done pa naman talaga. And RJ De La Fuente with Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V.
Performer na siguradong may enjoy ng mga momshies. Please welcome our newest Kapamilya champion, Marco Rubio!
Kuya, kamusta po ang buhay-buhay after winning All-Star Rest Back?
Yun, parang liha yung lalamunan ko.
Hindi ka...
I love it. Di ba kuya, you're a singer and you're a performer pa. So like, ano po ang gusto mong ma-achieve?
Ano pa? Ngayon kasi mas gusto kong makilala nila yung other side nung pagiging musikero ko.
Well said, kuya. Amazing ka dyan.
Kasi gusto mo din maging singer,
Yeah.
diba?
Oo.
Got it. I will follow your sinasabi.
Yeah, I will follow your sinasabi.
Yeah.
Pero bro, mga kapamilya, you are now watching Kapamilya Online Live! Ito sa ASAP.
Usually, yung The Greatest Showdown is at the end of the show, and
Yes.
they put it in the beginning.
Pero dito
Oo.
beginning.
Kaya naman sabay-sabay natin pati ang mga nanay na Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day po!
Thank you very much. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Sabi
Sacrifice so
Like a
much
mother,
for all
diba?
of us, diba?
They've really become our superheroes.
Yeah.
It's really nice to just give back to your mom, especially on the day of mom. So
Yes.
happy Mother's Day to all my
Happy
to all the mothers
Mother's Day.
and to my
Okay, we are back here on I Want ASAP! This time naman performing his debut single, Hayaan. A member of Formula 5, Kirby Bat!
ASAP! Grabe
Wow,
naman yung
Kirby.
performance na yun. Ito, tabi po na natin. Ito, art tip din kami dito. So I want it.
Welcome to I Want Awesome!
Thank you so much, guys. I'm so happy to be here.
I'm so sure your mom is so proud of you kasi congratulations on your debut single, Hayaan.
Yeah!
Yeah! What's your song about po?
This song is actually about letting out of a toxic relationship.
Tapos siya din naghawak ng violin niya. Habang nag-high note siya.
Oo nga no. So
diba?
naging stand din siya. Wow. It's so nice your group is supportive, walang jealousy and competition. Support and love. Talaga. I love.
Support and love.
Support and love. Nagulit ako sa...
Yun po yun yung tamang formula for our group. Support.
Support and love.
Yes, kaya naman. Boses nila
Tapos
no?
kanina,
Sa sobrang lakas.
Grabe. Nakabati na ba kayo sa moms nyo?
Hindi, pero syempre pag hindi natin,
Kasi
it's our Mother's Day
Mother's Day.
episode.
Yes,
So baka gusto nyo
Happy Mother's
batiin
Day.
yung mga nanay ninyo.
Paano na ba kayo?
Oh. And please, introduce yourselves to the online squad mates.
Hello. Kami na maging...
Pinili
Grabe.
talaga.
Handpick, kumbaga. Kay after.
Yes. Oh, now let's talk about your song naman, In the Mood. What's the story behind this?
The composer.
Oh!
Oh, the composer.
Sumasabay din si Rain sa
Rap
taas notes
no?
nila. Ay, hindi, sa taas notes nila.
Ah, oo.
eh.
Oh,
Saka,
nakakatawa
sample ka rin.
yan. Nagpapata.
Okay, ah. Okay, ah.
Pwede kayo maging opera
Opera
bell.
bell.
Yes.
Baka may future
Kakanta po
ka.
kami.
Yes.
Pero syempre, ang ganda ng song ito. So can we ask, do you have any more planned in the future na music?
Yes!
Yes.
Ikaw nagsagot! Oy, ka na?
Meron
Hey, opera bell ka na?
Yes.
Opera bells, ha?
Okay, boss.
Opera bells.
Yes, so...
Opera.
Kayo. Ay!
Wow! Hindi na ikaw talaga.
Grabe, ang galing.
Siyempre ako talaga yung member.
Hindi, pero thank you so much for that beautiful performance
No
dito sa
problem.
I1.
Thank you so much.
Hindi ka kasali!
Okay.
Sila!
Thank you so much, guys!
Baka meron kayong gustong
Celebration with the one and only...
My Eldorado!
birthday
to you.
Happy birthday! You know,
Hey!
Ay, nako.
What is Makate?
Wow.
What is Makate?
Gumaganon. Ano kasi ate?
Nagkaka-hives ako guys kasi mamaya or tapos na yata.
Ano ba talaga?
Ate Maymay! It's your birthday! What's your birthday wish for yourself?
oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh!
Birthday wish ko para sa sarili ko
Sarili.
na sana araw-araw pipiliin kong maging masaya at punuin yung puso ko ng kasiyahan nang sa ganon. It's easy for me to spread happiness dun sa mga taong nakapaligid sa akin. Yun talaga yun po.
Ang ganda.
Oh, tama?
Yes.
Grabe yung
Ba't tinatanong mo siya?
Cute kasi.
No, let's introduce siya si Ayon.
Ayon!
Happy crush. Let's all welcome Zach
Castaneda!
Hello, Zach!
Pogi, oh.
Welcome sa I Want ASAP, Zach!
Ayun, andito na si Jack.
Hello, Zach!
Grabe.
Yes. With the title Happy Crush, talagang nakaka-happy yung series nyo, di ba? So, Kuya Zach, what's the best memory sa pag make nyo ng series?
Pag-mimic.
Pag-make.
Yes.
Pinakamasayang cast, pinakamasayang shoot na nagawa kong acting talaga sa buong buhay ko. Kaya ang hirap pumili ko ano yung mga best memories kasi everyday sa best memory talaga with them po.
One of my favorite memories. Kasi,
Yeah!
kasi nung time na yun, parang
Wow, what you say again?
Teamwork makes
the
the
dream work.
dream work.
Wow.
Because if you
Pero-
believe, you
will
will
achieve.
achieve.
Oh,
Yes, guys.
Pero ano yung feeling na may dalawa kang leading men, Ate Mai?
Kaya nga ang haba ng hair ko ngayon.
Oo.
Kasi po, ang haba ng hair ni Carla mismo dun po sa Happy Crush.
Anong AC ikaw na magtatanong kasi medyo...
Ay, bakit naman?
Ay.
Baka malagot ako dito.
Kaya mo yan.
Sorry, Mai.
Okay, ano yung tanong?
Kiligin or parang happy-happy lang at maramdaman ulit po yung nostalgic vibes. Kumbaga, Happy Crush is for you to talaga.
Yes. And aside from Happy Crush, meron din tayong Happy Birthday. Happy
Wow!
birthday!
Wow! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday!
Birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday!
Make a wish.
Thank you po,
Make a wish, Carla.
family.
Yeah!
Birthday to you!
Once again, happy birthday, Mai. And Zach, thank you so much for joining us here on our
Thank you,
Thank you sa inyong dalawa. Pero syempre,
you,
online squad mates, huwag kayong aalis. We will see you when we head over to
I
Want ASAP! Happy birthday, Mai!
Birthday to you! And now naman, may isa pang very talented artist tayong makakasama dito. Performing a song with you from his EP Reaches Out. Please welcome, Pipan!
Wow.
Is it your tito po?
He's my manager.
Would you call him tito?
Pero parang family na din.
Parang family na din.
Yes.
Yes, and your song po is part of the EP Reaches Out.
Yes po.
Tell us more about your EP.
Ayun po. So, this EP po talks about the love of Jesus, the love of God for everyone that reaches out to both of us.
And yes, nagbabalik kami dito sa Kapamilya Online Live! Hello mga kapamilya! Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo while watching!
Yes, tama yan, Ray. Pero ngayon naman, gawin natin magaan ang kantahan pero heavy sa talent ang artist na to. Singing her single, Gagaan na Muli from her EP Life These Days, please welcome,
Kendra!
2025 na pala, no? Last year. Oh my gosh! Last
Sa EP mo naman, what's your favorite track, bro?
stock. Stream stock.
Give me a short sample naman dyan.
Sample naman.
Naulit yun. Teka lang, inaalala.
Favorite
Kanta mo nga yun,
favorite
Kendra,
niya
di
nga.
ba? Kanta mo yun.
Sorry. Wait lang. Uy, seryoso na may mental block ako ngayon.
That's my favorite also. I listen to
Grabe,
your
they can
EP.
hear the rest of the song when they listen to your EP talaga.
Wait lang. Grabe yung hugot mo, ha? Yung hugot mo, ha?
Perfect!
Yeah!
Let's give it up for Kendra!
Thank you so much for your
Everybody! Brother, from your ASAP family,
Thank you, thank you.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Maraming salamat sa performance na yan. Thank you.
Ang ganda naman ng surprise.
Birthday to you.
Thank you, guys.
Happy birthday to you!
At hindi lang yan ang surprise, brother. Happy birthday! Day to you.
Thank
Happy
you. Wow.
birthday to you.
Okay,
Make a wish.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alexa!
This is hard too. And yeah, just more happiness of course and good health among anything. Good health.
Ganda naman nun. Ganda nun.
Tsaka nandito naman ako para alagaan naman.
Wow!
Oh my
So,
God.
alagaan ko din si Alex.
What is your ano naman? Your wish for yourself?
I wish myself good health. And of course, for... Actually, I just want all my friends and all my loved ones to be happy.
Wow.
Ulit si Katie, happy birthday! Yan, mga honest squadmates, huwag kayong alis because we will see you when we head over to I Want ASAP! The birthday boy ang balik na
Birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Lex!
Ngayon naman, online squadmates, may masayang kwentuhan tayo kasama ang isang mahusay na singer. Online squadmates, please welcome RJ the
What's up, guys?
Yes, you know, RJ today, it's Mother's Day. Did you know that?
Of course!
Oh, yes. So, I'm gonna ask, did you know? And I'm gonna ask you, what song po you have for your mother and bakit?
Song for my mom.
Mother.
It's called, actually, I recorded a song years ago, but it's called Mama. It's on Spotify and all the other digital platforms.
you know-
He wants what's best for us.
Perfect. Well said naman yan.
Salamat.
Well said.
Alam mo, parang nagulat si RJ sa ano.
Nagulat ka po ba? Hindi.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Grabe, well said. Pwede siya pang miss you.
Pero,
I wanna hear this blessing.
Parang we also.
Can you share the blessings?
Share the blessings. Yes, share the chorus of the blessings.
Yeah.
Your blessings come through raindrops. What if your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near?
Blessings.
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 Favorite lyrics ko po doon yung rain. Rain. Rain.
Oh, of course.
Bakit? Bakit rain?
Bakit?
Ay, blessing lang siya sa ears.
That's a great question to ask our other co-hosts.
Yeah.
What's a blessing that you want?
Yeah, go.
Okay, ako? Ikaw rin.
Me naman po. Yes. For my upcoming album, I wish I can touch people's heart.
Paano yung touch? Paano yung
So
touch?
sentimental.
Whoa!
Promote mo na yung album
Oo nga
launch.
po, that's why I'm May 30s. I know. Meet Your Rain. That's where you can meet your rain.
Yes.
I hope and wish and pray that you guys will love my song and come there. Yes.
Okay, so,
You know what I love actually before ACN?
he was ready.
Hindi. Go actually before.
Go ahead.
No, because
I'll go.
Rain is the type of person that will make you laugh a lot. But underneath all those jokes, she has a really, really big heart.
Oh, you're so nice to me today.
What's wrong with you? You're so
Sulitin mo, baka next week wala na. Hindi, go.
Once again, RJ! Everybody!
Actually, hindi ko rin alam bakit naisip ko ang parking lot
Actually,
when you're
oo.
writing the chorus.
Yeah.
Hindi ko rin alam
Parang
bakit.
bigla na lang siyang lumabas.
But it seemed like it fit the vibe and the beat of the song.
Yeah.
So, ayun.
All right. So, collaboration niyo to. The collaboration niyo to, what's the best part with working with each other?
Actually, yung best part talaga is just yung collaboration itself talaga kasi parang sobrang smooth niya. Yung like getting more
from you guys?
Definitely.
All right.
Online squadmates, we're back here on
I Want
ASAP! At ito na, guys. Okay ka ba? Okay ba kayo? Pero dapat okay kayo dahil ito na, it is time for our I Want Squadcast! Squadcast. And for our squad tanong, wait lang, lundukin ko yung Ang tanong, okay na ako. Ikaw na ba si Mr. or Miss Right for my vote? Ibig sabihin, ano ba dapat ang mga qualities ang dapat nating i-consider sa pagpili ng iboboto?
Yung ano po, yung leader na totoo sa words niya. Like, if he makes a promise, dapat gagawin niya talaga kasi people voted for him. Kasi people voted him kasi they trust him or her. Kaya dapat yung totoo sa words niya.
And it's great that we are hearing your insight din kasi para sa mga kabataan that are about to vote or getting or registering to vote, then we have to be aware as well dahil it is our right to vote.
Yes,
Diba?
and kasi leaders natin are very, very important in where we will be in the next 6 years, di ba? And
That's right.
bihira lang naman ng mga election, so it's nice to be a part of it kasi you'll really feel na may bayanihan spirit whenever you vote. Kasi sa punot dulo ng eleksyon, para sa atin talaga.
Bakit ganun yung ano mo sa akin?
Ito wala, galing talaga sa
Because this is someone who's gonna be in your future for a while.
That's right.
Not just
Actually,
for you,
that's
for generations after us.
possibly
right?
generations to come, di
Great
ba?
analogy you got there.
Thank you.
Prain, as the youngest one here, how important is it for you to tell everyone, yung mga online squadmates natin, how important it is to use their right to vote?
It's important to use the right to vote, guys. Kasi as a part of the kabataan, this is for our future, guys. And when we grow older, we're gonna live in this world. So, make the most out of it. If you can vote now, vote now. If hindi ka pa registered, register now.
Yeah. Nababasa po natin ay totoo.
Talaga. Even if it looks so nice because it looks articulous, like ganon-ganon.
Articulous.
Hindi siya true. You have to check muna.
Don't be afraid to ask your question.
True. Yeah, and
Walang masama magtanong. Yan na yung
Okay, let's hear about that.
yan.
Siya na nag-decide.
Kayong dalawa.
Thank you.
Hindi, lahat na lang tayo.
Yes.
Oh, tara.
Sige, I want squad.
Parang ayaw kasi ni AC.
Okay.
Pero online squadmates, sana ay nakatulong din kami.
Oh my God! Sabi niya, once again, misinterpreted.
Okay.
Sinabi ko, oops.
Pero online squadmates, kahit paano sana ay nakatulong din kami.
And if you're not register
Register
now.
now.
Yes. Pwede ka na.
Yan. Pero online squadmates, guys, we will see you when we head over to
Kapamilya
Online Live!
Bukas na!
EP ko na isang part lang siya ng buong kwento ng experience
Yung
ko sa
story
tao
na yan.
Wow!
Grabe!
So, buong EP mo is about
that one person.
that one person.
Yeah.
Na
Alam-
hanggang ngayon, you still haven't been able to express.
Wala na.
So, hindi niya
Grabe.
alam.
Talaga. So your EP is called Kabanata.
Yeah.
And it's like a kabanata of your like love for that person.
Exactly.
Exactly. Ang galing ko.
Yes.
Grabe.
Ang galing mo.
Sabi niya, galing! Pero, so,
Grabe. Lumabas siya.
uy, bago ka ba?
May bagong kanta. Ang coming yan.
Nagulat ako sa'yo. Pero itong EP dito, tapos tinuloy mo lang.
Dire-diretso ko na.
Grabe, no?
Torpe.
Ngayon, I'm excited to hear the whole EP.
Oo.
To see how
That's
they
an I Want Awesome. Online squadmates, huwag kayong alis. We will be back here on I Want Awesome! Torpe kasi!
Grabe, what a crazy episode!
Tama.
And of course, we want to thank our online Mother's Day again to our fabulous moms, all of the moms in the whole wide world. Maraming salamat online squadmates for joining our bonding today.
Yeah.
Thanks to everyone who watched us and joined us sa YouTube, Facebook, I Want TFC, A to Z Channel 11, TV5, and of course, Kapamilya Online Live. Thanks so
and
much.
As online squadmates, please supportan niyo po kami ni Rain sa Love at First Bite.
Uy!
It is a digital series on I Want TFC that will be coming out this June. So please supportan niyo po ang Love at First Bite.
Yan, at maraming salamat din sa lahat ng special guests natin for today. Marco Rudio, Stream Parking Lot, kasama kong Darren Castro and Chief Filomeno on all digital stream platforms. Anything as well?
Oh, guys, will it be there? Okay. Yes, May 30 po sa Sky Dome. It's gonna be Meet Your Rain. That's where you can meet your rain, guys. So come on, buy your tickets now kasi grabe yung pasabog natin doon.
Yeah!
Go.
AC, go.
Yes, all of my social media platforms, AC Bonifacio, alam niyo na po yan. Yes.
anything else?
Minsan, nasa kabila din po ako.
Oh, yeah.
Lolong, Maka, wherever you find me.
Grabe, booked and busy si AC Bonifacio talaga. Slide into my DM.
I can't wait to see them.
Guys, once again, a happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga nanay. And we will see you again next week for more fun and good vibes dito lang sa I Want Awesome!